Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a Hot Wheels bike. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product. Hot Wheels Honda VFR 750R RC30. This is from the 2025 collection under Moto Motors. This bike comes in a 1:32 scale model and has an MRP of Rs 179. So let's unbox this bike right now. We have unboxed it and here it is, the die-cast 1:32 Hot Wheels Honda VFR 750R. This is an amazing sports bike from Honda. Just look at the realistic body, the badging of Honda, the Honda logo. Also look at the paint job and racing decals, which come in the red-blue combo. It also has a grey painted exhaust, black metal tires, glass and a plastic handle. This is so cute and realistic model. This diecast bike is officially licensed by Honda and manufactured by Hot Wheels under metal. It also comes with a mini stand so we can keep it like this. Just look at it, it's so realistic. Like, share and comment on my video. Now let's take this mini Hot Wheels bike for a mini test drive. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.